Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we always bring you the most practical videos to help you improve your mental health, increase your productivity, and ultimately live a more successful life. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to stop negative thoughts. Because sometimes, right, we have so many negative thoughts and it makes us feel down. It affects our relationships, it affects our work. It's just not a good thing to have so much negativity in our head all the time. So we're going to teach you scientifically how to clear your mind of negative thoughts. If this sounds good to you, please make sure to subscribe, because why not? This video is going to be helpful, and it's going to give you some tools that you can use for the rest of your life. Let's get into it. So first off, how do we actually interrupt negative thought patterns? Well, there are multiple ways, and the best way is the one that works best for you. So we're going to give you some options, but before we do that, let me tell you a little bit about the science behind this. Neuroscience shows us that we actually have the ability to change the structure and function of our brain just by thinking certain thoughts and repeating them over and over again. Neuroplasticity allows us to do that. And if we apply this concept to negative thoughts, we can also change them by interrupting them and replacing them with positive ones. And that's what we're going to teach you how to do. So here are 3 ways that you can immediately stop negative thoughts and reprogram your brain for positivity. Number 1, think of it as changing radio stations. Have you ever been in the car and there's a song that just gets stuck in your head? And it's just, it's a sad song or whatever, and you don't want to listen to it anymore. What do? You change the station. That's exactly what you need to do with your thoughts. When you feel like a negative thought is getting stuck in your head, just change the channel. Think of something else. Think of something happy. Think of something exciting. Think of something you're grateful for. By doing this consistently, you will reprogram your brain to stop playing that song on repeat. Number 2, clear your cache. What do I mean by that? Well, sometimes our minds are cluttered with unnecessary files that we don't need. These are things that we've experienced in the past that we keep bringing up, and we keep thinking about them over and over again. Just because we don't need those things anymore doesn't mean that our brain knows that. So sometimes you just need to hit clear cache. Think of it like you're emptying your mind. You're cleaning it out. You're getting rid of all the unnecessary stuff so that you can bring in new things, positive things, productive things. How do you do that? Well, there are some cool techniques, like the 365 technique, where you write down 3 things every day that you're grateful for. By doing this consistently, you will reprogram your brain to look for the good things in life and to focus on them. Number 3, switch the movie. Yes, sometimes it's better to just switch the movie entirely. If you're watching a movie and it's just not good, you're not enjoying it, what do? You switch to another movie, right? Same thing with your thoughts. If you find yourself thinking negatively, just switch the movie. Go and do something else. Go and watch a funny video. Go and spend time with loved ones. Go and do something that makes you happy. By doing this consistently, you will reprogram your brain to avoid negative thoughts and to seek out positive experiences. Now that you know how to stop negative thoughts from taking over your mind, it's time to put it into practice. We challenge you to put these techniques to the test for 7 days. Start today and see how many negative thoughts you can stop and replace with positive ones. You can do it. And if you want to learn more about how to take control of your thoughts and your emotions, stay tuned for more videos. We'll see you next time. Until then, take care.